Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at this nifty product from RightLine Gear. This innovative anti-theft coupler ball and lock guards against trailer tow-away so you can worry less about someone stealing your trailer when you're not towing. It fills the space where the hitch ball or smaller towing devices are inserted. The anti-theft trailer coupler ball is an awesome peace of mind accessory, plus it's built to withstand. It's made of a super strong polycarbonate plastic, and it cannot be broken or removed once it's secured in place by the trailer coupler lock. The patented design is easy to use and easy to remove and cannot be hacked like a lot of trailer locks on the market. It comes with a handy UV protected zip tie to attach the trailer ball to the trailer chain so you can't misplace it. You can purchase the anti-theft coupler ball either by itself or with the coupler lock. There's really not an installation here, but it is pretty straightforward to use, so let's take a look. The anti-theft coupler ball from RightLine Gear works with both 1/7/8 inch and 2-inch trailer couplers. It's also backed with a 1-year manufacturer limited warranty. If you're looking to purchase this product, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below because we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.